Our bathtubs, showers, sinks and wash basins regularly become blocked and have difficulty draining the water. Fortunately, in just 2 minutes you'll be able to solve the problem almost effortlessly. To do so, all you need is love. All you need is a container, an absorbent towel or mop, a degreasing product such as our vinegar gel, the recipe for which is shown at top right, or a commercial product such as the one in the description below, and maybe a pair of tweezers. After waiting for the water to drain away, or after mopping it up, find the access hatch to the drain in your blocked cabinet. If there isn't one, as with the walk-in shower for example, click on the sheet at the top right of your screen to see the appropriate tip. If you're still here, remove the trapeze by tilting it and pulling it out of its latches or spring. Once it's done, try to place your container under the removable elbow. If you can't, place your mop underneath to soak up any water that may spill. Once you've took apart the elbow by screwing the rings, empty the air, food scraps or anything else forming the plug into your garbage can. Empty the remaining water into a sink, but not into the piece of furniture you want to unblock, because we'll remind you that there is currently a massive hole in your drain. Then spray the elbow with your favorite eco-friendly degreaser and leave for a while before rinsing. Once it's whiter than white, take the pipe back to its original position without forgetting the joint. And return to your unclogged furniture. If there is anything left in the non-removable pipe sections, remove it, then screw your elbow back on, always paying attention to the seal and tightening well. Remove your mop and test by running the water harder and harder until you get a lot of water. If no drops appear at the elbow, it means that you put it perfectly back in place. Congratulations, we're done! I leave it with the tutorial to how to maintain your pipes. Thank you for watching all the way through. See you soon for the next video.